The son of President Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, has pleaded guilty to federal tax charges to avoid facing another criminal trial. This comes months after he was convicted in a separate gun case. Hunter Biden entered the surprise plea hours after jury selection was supposed to begin in federal court in Los Angeles. The case brought by the Justice Department accused Biden of a scheme to avoid paying at least $1.4 million in taxes. The judge in the case said that in pleading guilty, Biden faced a maximum penalty of 15 years in prison and fines ranging from $500,000 to $1 million. He's already facing the prospect of potential prison time after his conviction in June on 3 felony gun charges.
Hunter decided to enter his plea to protect those he loves from unnecessary hurt and cruel humiliation. He will now move on with us to the sentencing phase, while keeping open the options to raise the many clear issues with this case on appeal.
The surprise guilty plea is the latest twist in the long-running legal saga of the president's son. He was supposed to avoid trial in both cases under a plea deal last year, with prosecutors that fell apart after the judge raised questions about it. And for more on this, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report. Listen in.
Hunter Biden, President Joe Biden's son, has pleaded guilty to federal tax charges, sparing his family another potentially embarrassing trial. He now faces up to 17 years in prison and up to $1.35 million in fines. The charges include misdemeanor and felony counts for failing to pay at least $1.4 million in taxes. Hunter Biden's decision to plead guilty came after unfavorable pre-trial ruling and the potential for more personal details to be aired in court in front of a jury. His lawyer stated that he has made the decision to protect his family from further pain and humiliation. Sentencing is set for December 16th. Many are wondering whether or not President Joe Biden, who is essentially a lame duck president now and is not running for another term, will ultimately pardon his son before leaving office. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World.